Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to use TOME AI on phone. So in order to access TOME AI on phone, you will have to basically open any browser on your mobile phone. So I'm opening Google Chrome. So after opening a browser, you'll have to go to the search bar and type in TOME AI and click on the go button. Now after searching for TOME AI, you will have to head over to https://tome.app. So go to TOME's website, click on this. Now click on Get Started. After that, you can sign up or log in. If you have already created an account on TOME, you can enter that email address and you'll be logged into your TOME's AI account. And if you haven't logged in, click on Continue with Google. Now choose an email address or an account, create an account using your user credentials. You'll be logged into your TOME AI's page. As you can see, this is my TOME AI's page, and if I would want to access any one of my projects, I will simply click on that project and this will open up that project on my mobile phone. As you can see, this is the project that I'm working on. Now, as you can see, there is no way to edit all these slides right now. So in order to access the editing features of TOME, you'll have to click on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of your browser and scroll down and select desktop site. After you select desktop site, as you can see, now I'm able to see all these options at the right side of my screen to edit all these text and design my TOME's page pretty easily. So use Google Chrome to access TOME.app page, or you can use any browser as long as it has this desktop site enabling feature in its setting. So make sure you enable this desktop site feature. You can access any one of your projects and start working on that project, edit it, design it according to your preference, and that's how you can easily use TOME AI on phone. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.